Hi, and welcome to Career Ladder Cleaning and Sanitizing 101. Today we'll be focusing on the correct way to clean and sanitize food service surfaces. To begin, let's define cleaning and sanitizing. Cleaning removes actual food and dirt from a surface. Sanitizing reduces pathogens on food contact surfaces to safe levels. To clean and sanitize a food contact surface, scrape and remove food from the area. Make sure you sanitize food contact surfaces as well as food contact equipment, such as a meat cutter, every 4 hours. Then, wash the surface with hot soapy water and rinse the surface with clear potable water. You will then sanitize the surface. Be sure the sanitizer is at the correct concentration by using a Quartz Oasis 146 test strip. They can be obtained from your manager. The test strip should match the correct color to at least 200 to 400 ppm as shown here. The surface should remain wet with sanitizer for at least 1 minute. Do not wipe the surface after sanitizing. Always allowed to air dry. Here are some more protocols for cleaning and sanitizing. Always obtain the correct chemical cleaner, sanitizer from the dispensers in the kitchen dish area. Ensure that you are using the correctly labeled spray bottle or bucket. And make sure you replace the cloth frequently or when it becomes dirty. You must store the cloth in the bucket. When you're using chemicals for cleaning and sanitizing, you should be careful and follow these simple rules. Never mix chemicals together. Never dilute the chemicals you are using. They come at the strength required. When dispensing chemicals into a new container, be sure it's an appropriate container and is clearly labeled with the correct name. Always store chemicals away from food and never above food. Always use the proper nitrile or non-latex gloves when using chemicals. Always use the correct personal protective equipment necessary for hard-to-reach locations.